Hey everybody, it's Mike with Monkey Fab. Jacob's here. See? I like to keep big friends around because I talk a lot of trash and I need all the help we can get. So I want to talk to you about Deutsch connectors, weather packs, and what are these called? Weather seal?
Super seal?
Super seal connectors. And what's the difference? Why is the cost different? Well, the easiest way for me to kind of get down to it is how easy it is to work with pens, to get the pens in and out, to crimp the pens. That's the most important thing to me. I'm new to this, so I'm not pretending like I know everything or anything, but I'm just telling you I'm totally in love with the Deutsch connectors, and I'm going to show you exactly why. So the Deutsch connector, it's a barreled guy. So what I mean by barreled is that it's actually just a round cylinder that... Alright, so the pen itself is just a round cylinder. You just stick the wire right in the end. So you strip the end, take it, drop this into here with your wire, and then you squeeze, and you're done. Doesn't matter. You can go 360. You could change it to mils if you wanted to and go 6,400 mils, and it wouldn't make a shit bit of difference if you're at 64 mils or 6,400 mils. Yeah. So these guys are different though. So this is a weather pack, weather pack, and these guys have the fold the over boys. Okay. So what you have to do is you have to roll those pens over the wire and crimp them, which isn't bad. We got we got crimpers for all this, and a lot of the stuff you're just going to see while working on cars is going to be this fashion, where it's got two little prongs and a big prong, one for the rubber garment and the other two to clamp down on your wire, and then it goes into the connector. So these guys they're not too bad to unpin. It looks actually relatively easy, and there's like a tool that we sell for that just slides over and you pop these out. And with the Deutsch connectors, they come with a tool. This tool right here is all you really need to get pens in and out and do any kind of manipulation you need with the connectors, which I found out over time. It'd be nice if someone made a video that shows how to do this. But yeah, with this guy here, you can just reach in and there's little tabs basically. It's where the pen comes through and it like lifts up and then catches. Well, this thing just lifts that catch so you can pull the pen right back out. And that's really nice. So these guys, the Deutsch connectors, super easy to crimp, super easy to pen, depen. On these guys, not quite as easy to crimp, but cheaper, So you wonder, well, where's the money go? The weather packs are just a little bit cheaper. Probably, they probably stamp these out by the billions, and that's why it is what it is. And then we have our last pack, which is weather seal?
Super
seal. Oh, man, it's tough keeping all this. How do people do it? I don't know. But anyway, it's basically the same thing as these guys with the fold over pens, but depenning these things is pretty much not going to happen. So once you've got your pens in there and you realize you put the wire in the wrong place, well, you can just throw it away. But that's also reflected in the price. So there's compromises there, both pros and cons to meet your needs. So whether your needs is to economize as much as possible, or to just have it be as simple as possible, which can also economize too, because it saves you time and effort in the long run. So anyway, me personally, I'm a big Deutsch connector fan. These are really easy to use. As soon as you get used to kind of working with them, bam, it's super simple. These guys, not that bad. A little bit cheaper, a little bit more difficult with the foldy over pens, but like I was saying, most all the pens you're going to deal with are these guys anyway. So you're going to have to get good at putting these connectors together. So you just have to ask yourself, what am I looking for? What do I value most? And make those decisions. Cheaper, cheapest. I think by far the easiest to work with. Not so bad, and if it goes sideways, you just got to throw it away, kind of thing. So my personal recommendation would be like the Deutsch connectors, these guys and that, but it's up to you and whatever you're comfortable with. But that should at least help you guys understand what is the difference between all of these guys, and mostly it is with ease of use and the quality and how it's put together. yeah, so hopefully that helps you guys out. Deutsch connectors, weather pack, super seal. I got it right.